Hello everybody. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to contact Fulton Bank customer support. First, you need to open any of the web browser, and in the top, there's this address bar. Type down fultonbank.com and enter it. And once inside this homepage, in the top right corner, there's this contact icon. Select that. Now from here, you can simply scroll a bit down over here. There's this icon for frequently asked questions. You can go here as well. And after that, you can find the relatable issue about this investment, my account, or any others. If you have any issues, you can simply select that. And after that, you can follow the on screen instruction as well. Or you can go back over here. You can scroll a bit down. And with this number, you can also use this toll free number. And make sure before contacting to this customer support number, you have your account information available for identity verification. And that is it. That is how you can contact Fulton Bank customer support. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.